Good afternoon students, welcome to SRS IAS and Law Academy। ये वाली जो क्लास होगी मेंस आंसर राइटिंग की क्लास होगी। वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री तो रिलेटेड जो भी क्वेश्चन ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਗਏ 2016 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 2022 ਤੱਕ ਉਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਸਿਰਫ 4 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ 2016 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 22 ਤੱਕ ਸਿਰਫ 4 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਵਰਲਡ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਚੋਂ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਗਏ ਆ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਕਲਾਸ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਗੀ ਦੋ ਪਾਰਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੋ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਲਿਖਵਾਵਾਂਗਾ, ਦੈਨ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕਲਾਸ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੋ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲਿਖਵਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗਾ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਸੋ ਫਸਟ अपना क्वेश्चन ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਲਿਖੋ, ਦੈਨ ਆਪਣੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੌਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ 7 ਮਿੰਟ ਦਾ ਟਾਈਮਰ ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਉਸ ਆਨਸਰ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨਾ। ਮੀਨਵਾਈਲ ਮੈਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਡਿਕਟੇਟ ਕਰ ਦਵਾਂਗਾ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਦੈਨ ਆਪਣੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰਿਜ਼ਿਊਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਸੋ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਲਿਖੋ ਫਸਟ, explain how the foundation of modern world, explain how the foundations of the modern world were laid by the American and French revolutions, the American and French revolutions। 2019 ਦਾ क्वेश्चन ਸੀਗਾ। ठीक है, कि फ्रेंच ते अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन ने जो मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड सीगा उसकी फाउंडेशन कितना लेआउट की थी। ठीक है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन लिखो, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम्स वर जर्मेन, GERMANE, जर्मेन, टू द डीकोलोनाइजेशन प्रोसेस इन माले पेनिनसुला, माले MALEY, माले जो मलेशिया वाली साइड पे जो भी पेनिनसुलर जो है ना, मलेशिया हो गया, वियतनाम हो गया, वो सारे देश उन्होंने माले पेनिनसुला कहा जाता है। ठीक है, माले पेनिनसुला, ये 2017 का क्वेश्चन है। ठीक है, ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪੌਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਫਰੇਮ ਕਰੋ। ਮੀਨਵਾਈਲ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਨਸਰ ਲਿਖਵਾ ਦੇਣਾ, 7 ਮਿੰਟ ਦਾ ਟਾਈਮਰ ਲਗਾ ਲਓ, ਦੈਨ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਚ ਆਊਟ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ, ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਹਾਊ ਦ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਆਫ द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड वर लेड बाय द अमेरिकन एंड फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशंस। ठीक है, इंट्रो लिखो, यदि लिखो, द अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन एंड द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन, द अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन एंड द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन are considered as a cardinal epoch, EPOCH, in world history। cardinal, CARDINAL, cardinal epoch in world history, full stop। It gave a death blow to the old orthodox system of governance and installed modern ideas for governing nations, next heading बनाओ, American revolutions contribution, apostrophe s वाला, American revolutions contribution to modern world, चार पॉइंट्स बनने थे। फर्स्ट पॉइंट बनाओ, लिखो, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ लिबर्टी एंड डेमोक्रेसी, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖੋ, द declaration of independence proclaimed that all men कोट एंड कोट च लिखे हुए नो ऑल मैन आर इक्वल, all men are equal. Full stop. It provided an impetus, impetus, impetus to the people of the world, to demand liberty and freedom, to demand liberty and freedom. Next point, constitutionalism. लिखो, the revolution led to the first written constitution in the world. Revolution led to the first written constitution in the world, which served as an inspiration for many nations, who borrowed many ideas from American Constitution. Full stop. Third point, the American War of Independence gave birth to a novel system of government, that is federalism. Full stop. In the course of time, the federal form of government got popularity. Full stop. This provided a nice template for the power sharing in diverse countries that needed complex polities. Next लिखो, promotion of human rights. Next लिखो, the American War of Independence laid stress on the rights of human being. Full stop. The Declaration of Rights, quote unquote च लिखो इनो, Declaration of Rights नो, of Thomas Jefferson awakened the people about their rights. ये तो contribution होगी अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन दी. हुन contribution लिखो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन दी. लिखो French Revolution's contribution to modern world. इसे लिखो, the democratization of society. First point, the democratization of society. लिखो, the French Revolution was a pan-European revolution. Full stop. It hacked the roots, HACKED, hacked the roots of ancient system in Europe, and ended the centuries old feudal system. Full stop. Before the revolution, the society was based on The society was based on inequality, comma disparity, comma privileges, and concessions. Full stop. The revolution attacked attacked the roots of this disparity. Full stop. It initiated a new social organization. Full stop. Second point. Ideals of modernity. 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 Liquid it. Liberty, equality and fraternity. Brought political awakening in Europe. Liberty, equality and fraternity brought political awakening in Europe. Next point, secularism. SCCULARISM. Secularism. Liquid it. The revolution ended the sovereignty, comma, despotism and corruption of the church. Full stop. The importance of the worship of intellect and reason. Intellectual वाला intellect and reason, RASON, reason became prominent. Next point. The people demanded not only political freedom but also right to property and freedom of expression. Full stop. They also demanded voting rights. Full stop. Women claimed equal rights with men. Next point. The revolution aroused the spirit of nationalism. Full stop. It paved the way for unification of Italy and Germany. Full stop. It also popularized popularized the concept of democracy. Full stop. Next point. Colonized people reworked, reworked the idea of freedom from bondage into their movements to create a sovereign national state. Full stop. Conclusion लिखो. The French and American Revolution not only laid the edifice edifice for the newly emerging egalitarian society, and a new way of polity in their respective countries. respective countries, but they also acted as the philosophical basis, and aspiration of the people of other nations. Full stop. The revolutions highlighted the fundamentals of a civilized world which continues to shape the global aspirations of today's time. Next question is, what problems were germane to the decolonization process in the Malay Peninsula? 2017 ਦਾ क्वेश्चन ਸੀਗਾ। इंट्रो लिखो, यदि लिखो, Malay Peninsula was under the British influence since they first came in the 18th century, looking towards Southeast Asia for new resources. Full stop. Since then the British East India Company traded and partly controlled the region. Full stop. The growth of their China trade further increased the company's desire for bases, BASES, bases in the region near it. Full stop. Para change. The decolonization of Malay Peninsula was an extension of the series of decolonization movement going across the Asia and Africa, and was influenced from this process which speeded up after the World War II. Full stop. Sub points बनाओ, इधर 10 sub points बनेंगे। First point, Malay Peninsula was multiracial, multicultural society with Malay, Chinese and Indians forming major ethnic and interest groups, which was a suitable condition for colonial powers to consolidate their regime. Full stop. Second point, fall of Singapore and Japanese fall of Singapore and Japanese advances in Malay Peninsula, fall of Singapore and Japanese advances in Malay Peninsula during the World War II forced the British to consider reassessment of its non-interventionist policies, in favor of ethnic cooperation and multiracial government in this region. Full stop. But with the presence of diverse interests, of different groups reaching to a consensus was a tough task. Full stop. Next point, Cold War ideological rivalry was prevalent in Malayan Peninsula, MALAYAN, Malayan Peninsula, TWO2, where with the rise of communist parties like Malayan Communist Party and Chinese Communist Organization, the fear of Malayan Peninsula falling to the communists emerged. Full stop. It was a nightmare for the liberal democracies / colonial powers, that is British, which ensured transfer of power to the ideologically friendly regimes. Full stop. Conclusion लिखो. The decolonization of Malayan Peninsula was largely a result of long reconciliation process between the Malayan nationalist and European colonial powers Full stop. Their mutual compromise gave the British the confidence to speed up the process of speed up the process of decolonization through a smooth decolonization process. Speed up the process of decolonization through a smooth decolonization process. ठीक है, रिपीट कर रहा हूँ ये लाइन दोबारा तो. The mutual compromise gave the British confidence to speed up the process of decolonization through a smooth decolonization process. ठीक है. सो ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਸੀਗੀ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਸੀਗੀ. ਦੋ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ ਆ, ਉਹ ਜੋ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕਲਾਸ ਆਏਗੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਿਕਟੇਟ ਕਰਵਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗਾ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਸੀ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਸੀਗੀ. ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ.